I want to talk about air quality, and that is one of the caveats with a hot environment. That's oftentimes where you can have a hazy environment as well. Whenever you have this heat, it can create what's called ground level ozone, mixing with some of the emissions, especially around the city. So that's why we already have some yellows here on the map. So I just want people to know that we don't have a specific code orange or anything for today, but we do have a moderate air quality. Meanwhile, some areas off towards the north and east, a little bit closer to New York City, have a code orange. That means, again, unhealthy for sensitive groups. So just a quick little stat there that I just wanted to mention before we move on, talk about how hot and humid it is, because check it out, high temperatures right around 98 degrees today, so we're rocking the upper 90s for the first time this year. Yesterday was the hottest we've been. It's been tough to get past that 91 degree point, but now we've had 4 days in a row at 90 plus. We were at 90, 90, 92, 95. Now heat builds on heat, and sometimes once you get past a certain threshold, the next one is easier to obtain, and that's exactly what we've had here. So we're leveling up to the upper 90s, some of us touching 100 degrees for the first time, such as you, Shirok. Congratulations, if congratulations are in order. But then we have a much better chance of hitting that 100 mark by tomorrow. And when I mean 100, I mean you're touching that temperature, that's going to go in the record books, but you're actually feeling a little bit hotter than that if you factor in some of the moisture, as much as 102 right around Shirah. Wind's barely blowing, so this is that perfect setup. Sometimes you can crank up the temperatures with a strong wind out of the southwest. It blows in that heat, but when that heat is just sitting at the surface with wind barely blowing it, that's where you really maximize your temperature. Quick little stat. I actually learned this from the head of our local National Weather Service. 31% of all summers in Charlotte hit 100 degrees. Sometimes it happens multiple times, but that's only 45 summers since 1879 that we've hit 100 degrees at least once, and 2024 was one of them. And the last time we did it, July 5th, but 350 days ago, we hit 101 degrees. Before that, the last time was 2022, and before that we hit it 5 times in 2015. So you don't realize how much of a rarity it is actually to hit that 100-degree mark, and tomorrow is our really only chance for it. After that, we have the upper 90s, more clouds expected on Wednesday. Actually, I think it's going to be more of an active environment. We're going to have a chance for showers and storms. 94 still could feel like the lower hundreds, but then after that, kind of back to just feeling like the 90s, and highs spiking to the lower 90s. So just the usual hot compared to the excessive hot that we have over the next couple of days, aka welcome to summer, y'all, and welcome to your morning commute. We'll see what Majestic has to say and how it's going so far.